Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X3 trunk with a foot gesture. First, ensure your key fob is on your person for the system to recognize you. Then, stand about 1 to 3 feet behind the rear bumper. Perform a quick, single kicking motion directly under the center of the bumper. This gesture activates the sensor, allowing the trunk to open automatically. Remember, a smooth, swift kick is more effective than a prolonged one. If your foot gesture isn't working, there are a few things to check. First, confirm the vehicle is unlocked or in park, as this feature requires the car to be in a ready state. Avoid multiple or prolonged kicking motions, as this can confuse the sensor. A single, deliberate kick is best. Also, check for any obstructions near the sensor area under the bumper, like dirt or snow, which could interfere with its operation. The hands-free trunk sensor is located under the center of the rear bumper. For the best results, aim your kick directly under the BMW emblem. Think of it like gently kicking an imaginary ball straight in and out. Practice the motion a few times to find the optimal technique for your vehicle. Some models may not have this feature if equipped with a tow hitch. Beyond the foot gesture, you have other convenient options for opening your BMW X3 trunk. You can always use the dedicated button on your BMW key fob to pop the trunk open. Additionally, there's a release button located inside the driver's cabin, typically near the driver's door panel, for easy access. And speaking of convenience, staying hydrated is key. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. These methods ensure you can always access your trunk, no matter the situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.